Wanted to do a very quick video to show you how you edit a Zoom video. And the way we're going to do that is I'm going to open up a video and show you how you can trim a video, which means basically the beginning and the end, which is all I'm really looking for in this week's assignment, is that you trim out the beginning and trim out the end. I don't care if you make a bunch of mistakes in the middle. We're just practicing with this type of assignment using Zoom, doing a presentation. So at least this will give you a very quick way to make that trim from the beginning and the end. If you are more comfortable doing the video in, let's say, YouTube, and you have a YouTube channel and you'd like to edit the video a little bit more, that's fine too. You're not required to. I'm just looking to again, edit the beginning and the end, but some of you folks have a little more experience in YouTube, but I didn't want to mandate it for those that did not. So I'll leave that up to you. But in any case, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And what we're going to do is, first of all, you have to find the video recordings. So when you set up your Zoom presentation, you wanted to make sure that you recorded the video, and it will ask you whether you wanted to do it locally or via the cloud. I normally do it locally, so I can just find it on my desktop. And that is what I've done here. There's always a file called Zoom if you do the recording locally, and this is what I've done here. The thing that we're looking for is the MP4, and I have lots of meetings, lots of videos that I've done, but I've kept one out here of an MP4, and that's what you're looking for. When you open up any Zoom file, and I'll just randomly pick one, you'll have an audio only, a playback, and a Zoom MP4. That's the one that you want to look for, the MP4. And I'm going to show you how you do this just in Zoom. So I just picked this one randomly. And it will open up this little video editor. And in this case, I'm going to also turn the sound down so you don't see my video. In this case, we are just going to make a quick edit. And the way that I do that is click on this button down here. It looks like an edit or a pencil. And it's going to give me some options. Edit in photos, view in photos, edit in photos, trim, draw, etc. We're just going to trim, because it's not a photo, it's a video. And when you do that, it opens up this very quick video editor. So in my case, I may want to just trim, let's say to here, and then I can just trim to here. So wherever you move these dots is where it's going to trim. And then when you're done, you can save as up here, and you can save it as something else. Always keep the MP4 version though, but you can say revised Zoom. You can call it whatever name you want to give it. Revised Zoom, MP4, revised Zoom, and you could give the name all types of learners. However you want to name it is fine. And then you can save it to the same spot, save it to your desktop. However you want to save it is fine, wherever you want to save it. And that's all there is to it, to trimming. The reason we do save as is that if you made a mistake, you trimmed too much or not enough, you can always go back and redo the trim. So that's all there is to making that edit, the video editing to your Zoom All Types of Learners presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. As always, good luck, have fun, and let me know if you have any questions.